I did my first film when I was in the seventh standard. Unfortunately, the film didn't release, but that was my first film called Two Fire in My Teeth. The film, I played Shashi Kapoor's Bachpan ka role, but that film never released. But I faced the camera when I was seventh standard, in seventh standard. So not bad. 10th standard से आपने काम करना शुरू किया. मम्मी डैडी के भुवनेश्वर में रहते हैं.
मम्मी जॉब
देखो माइंड तो अच्छा, very good, very nice. How many brothers, sisters are you?
Yeah, two sisters.
Two sisters. Yeah.
Lost her father in an accident.
Okay, how sad. But you're there, mommy is there, you're there, you know, life goes on. Sometimes, you know, so wonderful that you're working, you're an actress, and, you know, I wish you all the luck and that you become a big, big Indian, international, become a big, big actress.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
अरे गाना बज रहा है, गाना बज रहा है.
सर आपने 6 फिल्म फेयर अवार्ड जीते
हाँ
हैं
जी.
और मैं अपनी लाइफ में सिर्फ एक ही बार मुझे मौका मिला है फिल्म फेयर जीतने के लिए.
अच्छा.
2013
Congratulations.
ईस्ट.
Okay.
And
नहीं फिल्म फेयर ईस्ट का हो, वेस्ट है तो हिंदुस्तानी है.
but I'm following the footsteps. I just want to look young and stay fit when I turn 63.
Actually मैं 60 से थोड़ा आगे जा चुका हूँ. Inching towards 64.
36 का तो पता नहीं, 36 में पता नहीं मैं कैसे लगूंगी, but
No, you look beautiful. I'm sure you will look wonderful. And ladies and gentlemen, गाना बजने नहीं वाला है. इससे ज़्यादा, हाँ गाना बज रहा है कि बज रहा है? हाँ.